Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Traverse headlight easy guide. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the engine. I will walk you through tools, safety checks, and how to remove the old bulb without touching the glass. Expect simple steps you can do at home, clear tips to avoid common mistakes, and a quick test to confirm alignment and brightness when you finish. You only need a few basic tools for this job, and I will keep things easy and friendly. Gather a socket set with extension, flathead screwdriver, clean gloves, and the correct replacement bulb. I'll show how to access the assembly and where to store removed screws so nothing gets lost. This approach saves time and reduces frustration, making the swap a simple, stress-free DIY task. Follow these steps slowly and you will finish confidently and safely. First, remove the access panel or wheel well liner to expose the assembly. Then unplug the connector and release the bulb clip before pulling the old bulb free. Install the new bulb by the base, secure the clip, reconnect the harness, and test the light. I'll also share quick alignment tips and what to do if the new bulb doesn't light.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.